Hello,
Hi there.
Vitaly.
Oh mate, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm okay. So, what are we going to do today?
So we're going to explore the Dubki Park.
Where is it located?
It's located near the Timirzyaevskaya metro station.
Let's go then.
Let's go.
So the first spot here, where just start with, that's the sport ground in Park Dubki. You can exercise and work out here. How are you doing then? That's pretty hard.
Everyone should be sportive, as you see. From the hill here, you can observe the whole territory of the park. And the next spot will be the pond out there.
Over there. For the fat people and lazy like me, there is a special stairs here, which I'll use now. See you soon. So in the central part of the park, you can observe the large pond here, and even talk to ducks.
If you know the Turkish language.
If you know the Turkish language, yeah, as well. And run after the pigeons. Over there.
If you like some good pictures, you can make them on this bridge, and you can also go across.
If you're keen on sports so much, playing volleyball, basketball, football, or other sport games, outdoor activities, you can do it here. There are two large courts with lots of stuff for your games.
And only volleyball court, I guess. Hello. Can we get some ice cream out there?
Я, к сожалению, не знаю английский.
You don't know English. I'm so sorry for that. I get some strawberry. Yeah, this one. Strawberry in dark chocolate, please.
So unfortunately we couldn't buy any ice cream. She can't speak English, and the pedestrians here couldn't help us as well. So that's all for today. It was nice to show you this small park near Timirzyaevskaya station of the underground in Moscow. See you soon.